Alright, so now we're left with the last step, which is to build the spinous process, and we need an inferior articulating surface as well. So I've in essence I've completed using or creating everything that's got a mirror image. The transverse process is now reflected on this side. The superior articulating process is now over there. So I need to go now and I'm not going to need my instance anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say object mode, select the instance, delete it, and select the other side. And I'm going to say W, let's see where I am. And I'm going to say edit mesh, edit, delete by type history. Okay. And then I'm going to try mesh, mirror geometry, and I'm going to choose to go back with this negative X again and merge the vertices. So what I now have is one object. Okay. I've got my vertices merged, so theoretically I have a nice seam here. One way you can check, sometimes it will appear as though it's done what you've asked it to do, but sometimes there's not as perfect as you think. So one way to check is to go to the smooth window. Go to the smooth option, the number 3, to make it smooth. And if you see any like odd puckering or just some type of erratic juncture between edges, faces, then there's a good chance it would have a problem, or you may have to go in by hand and reset it. But I don't see anything here. It looks like it worked fine. So we'll keep with the number 1 setting. This box right here is my image, that mirror plane that we created. I can select it and actually delete it because I don't need it anymore. And now what I can also do is go in and grab the 2 faces on the arch that are facing each other and delete them. Now select the object and say bridge. Now be careful, because you use this bridge, might be the last time you use it was for the test tube rack, and you want to make sure you have just a linear path, 0 divisions. You could go up here actually and say reset settings, and you can get this kind of thing, but 5 divisions is not what we want. We want 0. Say bridge, and we should get a juncture now without any. So now we have a solid shape. You'll notice that again I've got this line down the center, which is where we put our 2 halves together, and eventually that's going to become a negative for me. I'm not going to want that. Now what I want to do is